How to use anti-gravity for Flutter. Standard UI motion is boring. Everyone uses simple linear tweens, but if you want your widgets to feel like they are defying physics, literally floating or reacting to negative gravity, you need to leverage Flutter's low-level physics simulation engine. Flutter provides the gravity simulation class, but it forces movement downward. To flip it, we'll leverage the spring simulation or a custom gravity simulation with a negative acceleration constant. So open your Flutter project, create a new physics animation controller wrapper, and then define your simulation block. So instead of a positive 9.8 constant, we force a negative acceleration. And this tricks the rendering engine into treating the widget as if it's falling upward through the UI stack. And then you can bind that physics calculation to your UI. So just wrap your target widget in a transform.translate container. Inside your stateful widget, initialize an animation controller and pipe the physics output directly into the offset parameter of your transform. And moving beyond standard UI transitions and into the real-world physics simulation is what separates amateur builds from elite tactile experiences. If you enjoy our channel and videos, make sure to like and subscribe.